Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and it's Wednesday, which means we have a packing video for you today. You guys know that I do these videos to help you pack carry-on only for a trip that you are going on soon, because you guys have requested it. Today's video has been requested from several of you guys, and we are going to go over packing carry-on only and a capsule wardrobe for European cruises. Whether you're doing a cruise on the Mediterranean, or maybe the Rhine River or the Danube River, or maybe you're even doing something in the Baltic. But also too, you can totally wear this capsule wardrobe and pack this way just for a European vacation, but really just when it's a little bit warmer. So if you've never been on a European cruise before, obviously you are cruising from destination to destination, but the difference between a European type of cruise and maybe something more like a Caribbean cruise is that when you get off the boat, you get off the boat for a long time and you're doing a lot of walking. You're not necessarily getting off the boat and doing snorkeling. So you're going to want to be comfortable and have comfortable shoes. I'm going to show you guys all of the clothes and accessories that we are packing. Then we're going to do a little bit of a fashion show. Then I'm going to pack it all and show you the personal item. And the most exciting part about this video is that we have a sponsor. So today's video is going to be brought to you guys by Southern Soul Collectives. I am so in love with their store and with what they are all about. Obviously on this channel, you guys know that I show packing and fashion for plus size women because that is me, and what they're really all about is the fact that no matter your size and no matter your age, that you can still be stylish, on trend, and appropriate. When I was choosing 8 different items to feature for you guys today, I was on the site for hours. It was absolutely incredible. No matter your size, no matter your age, check out Southern Soul Collectives. Everything I'm going to show you guys today from them is going to be linked down below. And just know that it was so hard to pick 8 items. I wanted seriously every single thing. They also do offer one-on-one styling and body confidence consultations, and Southern Soul Collectives was nice enough to give you guys a 10% off code for their store. The code is the Kellys 10. Everything on their site is going to be great regardless of the trip that you are going on, and even obviously in everyday life too. But I know I'm gonna be bringing stuff from this store on probably every trip from now on. Now back to the video, and let's go check out the capsule wardrobe. Southern Soul Collectives was nice enough to send us 8 different pieces for our capsule wardrobe today. And then I added a few more too, just to make everything super complete for this trip. So let me break it down for you real quick. We have 3 bottoms, 7 tops, 2 dresses, and 1 cardigan. However, one of these tops and one of these bottoms will be worn on the airplane, which means they don't have to fit in the packing cube. And to be perfectly honest, most of these items we are packing are totally comfortable for the plane and for your travel. So let's go over the items from Southern Soul Collective first. These are literally my new favorite pants. These are called the Carmen double cuff jogger, and these are just the most comfortable denim. They're denim, but they feel like sweatpants. And the magical thing about it, they can be casual, they can be sweatpants, they can be dressy. They're fabulous. The next item we have is this flying free top, and it's just kind of like a white creamy color, and it's really lightweight, and it can definitely keep you warm on those cooler nights, but then it's really nice to wear when it's not going to really keep you too hot. Definitely going to be a travel essential for me. This one here I absolutely love. It's called the Nostalgic Note striped mock neck top, and it has a couple just fun little colors in it, and just a really nice texture. And it does kind of remind me of a nice little 90s vibe, and I am here for it. You guys know how much I love skirts. This is called the It's My Time Side Scoop Scrunch Skirt. I love it because it's scrunchy right in through here on your waist, and it does have a nice little slit on the side, and I love this rust color. This is a super fun little dress, and I love to wear it with a belt. This is called the Stuck With You Vintage Overdye Dress, and this is that same nice little rust color. This is called the You're My Sweetheart striped top, and it just looks like a normal little striped top here with more of a wider neck, but then on the back it has this cute little lace and kind of just drapes down your back, and I think it's adorable. I love this one. I am so obsessed with square necks lately, and then bodysuits are really, really nice to wear because everyone's been tucking stuff into their pants. And then this is just a nice little ruffled sleeve, which is really cute, especially if you want to hide your arms a little bit. So this is called a Total Vision square neck bodysuit, and this is going to be one of the items I'm going to love to dress up in, but you can also dress it down. The last item that we have from Southern Soul Collectives in this video is the Love Me Dearly high-waisted pants. And you guys know how much I love a good pair of black high-waisted pants. And you guys always ask where I get mine, and the ones that I have been showing you in past videos, I don't even know where I got them. I can't even find a link for you. And now I found a new pair for you guys to become obsessed with. These are incredible, and they're such nice high quality compared to the other ones that I've had, and they're going to be a great travel pant. Again, I want to thank Southern Soul Collective for sending those 8 beautiful pieces of clothing for our capsule wardrobe, and I can't wait to show you guys how I put all of these together. Okay, I just have 5 other items to show you guys real quick. This is a nice little silky dress. This is just a nice little camel colored longer sweater to just throw on with any of these items for when it gets a little bit chillier outside. This is a nice little short sleeve sweater that I love. I tend to get really overheated if I'm wearing long sleeve sweaters, so I love something like this. I have shown this before. It is just a square neck bodysuit in white, very easy wardrobe staple, very easy to pack for any capsule wardrobe for any trip. And then I added another little striped shirt. This one is a little bit more casual and has more brown stripes instead. So those are the 13 items I'm going to be bringing. 8 of them are from Southern Soul Collectives. Now let's show you the accessories. I am bringing my birdies because they are so incredibly comfortable to walk around in. This trip you're going to be doing a lot of walking, whether it's on the boat or whether it is throughout the city when you get off of the boat. And these are going to be great, and these are going to be kind of your dressier option as well. And then I am bringing my Vessies. They are waterproof, as you guys know, and I'm bringing these boardwalk slip-ons. This is more of like that mauve color, just to be my comfortable walking shoe, my walking shoe if it's a little bit rainy outside, and more of my casual shoe. As for my crossbody purse, you guys have seen me feature this one before. This is the Marc Jacobs Natasha bag, and it's great because it's crossbody, but like I've shown you guys before, this pocket actually has a zipper, so you can hide a lot of your valuables in here. Pickpocketers, beware. If you guys needed to add any outerwear because it's a little bit of a chillier season, absolutely go ahead. You wouldn't pack that, you would wear it on the plane. You could do a leather jacket, you could do a jean jacket, you could do a little, trench coat, whatever your style is. You can wear it. And then I did add this little hat. You guys know I love to wear hats when I travel, whether I wear it on the plane or whether I pack it. I chose a black one for this color scheme and capsule wardrobe, but I could definitely have picked a tan one as well. Okay, so now it's time for the packing portion of the video, and the packing cubes today I'm going to use are from Away. They are actually some of my favorite cubes out there, and I'm going to be using the new Away redesigned classic suitcase. As for the personal item, let's go ahead and use the July Volume Plus backpack. This is July's expandable backpack. The reason I'm bringing a backpack is not only to use as a great personal item, but you can also use this when you get off of the ship as a nice little day pack. All right, let's pack. You guys, I do really love the new inside of this suitcase. It doesn't necessarily serve a purpose being a different color, but it's really aesthetically pleasing. So let's go ahead and put the big packing cube here on the bottom. This packing cube has bras, underwear, and 2 bathing suits, as well as shorts to wear under my dresses. This is my toiletries case from Trip Travel Gear. You guys know that this is my favorite. It has all of my makeup, non-liquid toiletries, and jewelry. Okay, so first let's pack our bag, and then we're going to pack that hat. Of course, we could wear it on the plane, but we're gonna pack it in the suitcase, and then therefore, if you go shopping, you can always wear it home on the plane and rearrange your suitcase to have a little bit more room. So we're gonna pack it upside down, and we're going to pack some stuff in it. This is just a little scarf that I grabbed at the last minute, and we'll pack our sunglasses, and that way it keeps the shape of the hat. Then we're going to pack some items along the side. We're gonna do an umbrella, and we're gonna do a flat iron right here, and then we will do these shoes right here, and that really keeps the shape of the hat. There's still a lot of room on top of this, and again, you can rearrange this, put this on your head, and have a lot more room on the way home. All right, so let's pack our personal item. Again, this is the July Volume Plus, and this hidden zipper here is an expansion, so it does expand. Let's of course start with your laptop. Mine is a 13-inch MacBook Air. Then we're gonna put our electronics, which is a case from Trip Travel Gear. We're gonna put our liquid toiletries, and I'm gonna put it in this little pocket right here for a nice easy grab when you go through TSA. And then this little pocket is really nice for a Kindle. We're gonna put our water bottle in there because there is not an exterior water bottle pocket. For super easy access in the front, I am going to put my little airplane bag, and that has all of my essentials that I will want while I am on my long flight. And then the coolest part about this backpack, it has a little hidden pocket, and that's where my passport is going to go. And of course, it can slip on my luggage super easily. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and a very special thank you to Southern Soul Collectives for sending us 8 items for our capsule wardrobe today. I know you guys are absolutely gonna love that site. The Kelly's 10 is our discount code if you would like to shop on there. And if you do, please let me know what you buy. I really hope that this was helpful today for your European cruise that you have coming up, but this could even be good for just a normal trip to Europe or a lot of other places. These items are very easy. It's just basically casual with a couple of little dressy pieces for dinner. You have 25 outfits to choose from. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not already. We do packing videos on Wednesdays and luggage videos on Saturday. And while you're at it, please follow us on Instagram because we do a ton of daily tips and tricks for all things travel. Thanks so much, you guys. Happy traveling. I'll see you next time. Bye.